In this video, you're going to learn how to save multiple photos in JPEG with one click. First, you go to your folder, where you have your picture. You select all the image you want. You open with Photoshop. Then you go to your file, script, and image processor. Because the image are already opened on the Photoshop, you select Use Opened Image. You then select the location where you want to save the image, that's the JPEG image, and you can also adjust the quality of the image here just to reduce the size to be occupied in your hard disk. You then click on Run and you allow Photoshop to process the image. Then you go to the location where you select and you will see a JPEG folder has been created with all the selected image. You can watch these videos to learn more on Photoshop techniques. Please like, subscribe, and share for other videos to learn. Keep learning, keep creating. Thank you.